Hey, it's Sammy on July 19th. We took 3 trades before 9:45 this morning, East Coast time, and we made 3,092 pips. Let's take a look and see how our first trade went. This is our first trade coming in right before pre-market open here. The market dropped yesterday tremendously, and it started consolidating towards yesterday's daily low tracer up here, as you can see. All the data kicked in to the short side. We had multiple time frames hitting momentum in that top panel, some multiple time frames hitting sentiment in that middle panel, and of course we had a volatility break on the minute chart, so we entered the trade. Of course, we moved that stop loss to break even plus 25. We were aiming for that weekly R1 tracer down there at the bottom, as you can see. As the market kind of consolidates right here before the open, we're going to go ahead and lock in 798 pips on this trade. So this is our first trade at the open. You can see they ran up and did a stop hunt and took out most of that move. That's why we get out of the market prior to the open. So we entered this trade again. Now, our broker was kind of throttling. So we did hit our take profit, and I'll show you what that looks like at the end of this. But this was actually a 1,016 pip trade. So we have a tremendous amount of data here at the open. We have most of our time frames hitting momentum. We have all of our time frames firing sentiment, and our 5-minute is out of volatility. So you can see we had that trade hit. We re-entered the market still during this opening time here, and we're actually heading down towards daily S1. The reason we weren't able to move our take profit down there and just ride this all in one trade is that the broker was kind of freezing up a little bit. So we re-entered. The data grew tremendously in this trade, came all the way down here to daily S1, support level 1, and we hit our take profit, 1,278 pips. Now I wanted to go ahead and take those 2 trades and actually drag them out of the trade journal so you could see where we entered the market and where our original target was. Even though the brokerage was slipping and running a little bit slow today, we had a tremendous amount of data that we could read. Look at that top panel with all of that momentum painting from the hour chart all the way down to the minute. Look at that middle panel. That's our sentiment. That has high numeric sentiment value all the way to the short side, 1 hour all the way down to the minute. We also have a 5-minute volatility break. So the market was continuing that short at the open, and we were able to rack up 3,092 pips all before about 9:45 this morning. If you're ready to learn to read powerful market-generated real-time data and take consistent winning trades, book a call. We'll walk you through the process.